If you're a small streamer, you're going to want to stick around for this. What's up everyone, if you're new here, my name is Sultan. I stream a lot of MTG, RPGs, that's really it, and then I carry squads in first person shooters, or, I make a good fourth.
You are trash, Bugdog.
As a small streamer, you have very limited options to kind of make money. We do it for the love, we do it because we want to chill out with the boys, and, you know, provide some value to some people, maybe laugh here or there, but I think at the core of it, everyone has like a dream to, like, you know, get a little check, make a little money, and you know, why not? We're playing games anyway. So what this is Stream Elements. So those of you who don't know, it's a gaming software similar to like Streamlabs, where you can set up dashboards, create feeds, chatbots, and all the other things for your streaming. But what they do great is provide opportunities for smaller streamers to earn additional income by sponsorships. So, got an email earlier saying that there was a sponsorship ready, Rise of Kingdom. I feel like I've seen like a YouTube video or like some sort of ad for it, not super sure what it is, but long story short, if I complete all these tasks, which we'll walk through in a minute, I can earn up to, I think, like $700, which is kind of wild, alright? Just playing a game, doing some things, but let's get into some details and see what exactly this consists of.
Here we go. Here we go.
Our first thing to do is add the goal widget to OBS. So we're going to want to copy that link and jump over to OBS. What we can do then is, in your scenes, you're going to want to click add. Then you're going to want to, where'd it go? Be browser, there we go. You're going to want to add browser. And this is going to be Rise overlay. Select OK, and then from here you can make it as large or as small as you want, and the URL where it's supposed to go, copy and paste that. Check everything else, and we can adjust it while it's on the screen there. Everything else should be good. Hit OK, and close that up a little lower. Boom, top left. So now we see that here. If we blow it up, it's going to show what we actually have. Reach city level 5, 0 out of 10. Purchase first kit. Reach over 100k, reach over 200k. Those are our goals to be able to get paid out. So we want to make sure that's on screen and referencing it while we are streaming, not in like a you know, spammy kind of way.
Hi, I'm Al Harrington of Al Harrington's Wacky Waving Inflatable Arm Flailing.
But we definitely want to make sure folks are doing the thing. Slide this back over, second monitor. So that is check. So we can add that. The next part is to add the Twitch panel banner. So we're going to download this. We have the image, and then we want to copy this link. Okay, I have this set up already, but if you don't know how to do this, you're going to go to your Twitch channel, go to About, and then you see all your panels down here. If you don't have these panels set up, you're missing out on some real estate and some actually cool things to get your followers engaged and seeing what is going on. So I have my Twitter linked, I have a Discord linked, little shop stuff, and some dono links. So you're gonna go to edit, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click the add widget, add text or panel. So the panel title, again, Rise link, or whatever it's supposed to say. It might actually give us a naming convention. Rise link. So we add image. Oop. Expand that, done. And then now image links to, copy paste. So download the game to support the channel. Submit. Donezo, and then we can actually should be able to drag this around. Let's see. Should be at the bottom here, and slide it up top so that when people come to your page, go. It's a little wonky. Let's see if we can get it going up here, and voila. So you want it to be very like easy to find when someone does do it, and they click it. Redirect brings you over here, and boom. So, hi, the Man Assaultant, supporting the Man Assault by downloading Rise of Kingdom and reaching the goals. See name on my stream, click as the Man Assaultant, or to stay anonymous, do this. So, do that, and then now that is done, and that should be the 3 out of 3 check. All we have to do is go live for 3 hours and then get folks to sign up.
Sign up now.
Pretty straightforward process. Like I said, as a small streamer, as a small content creator, it's always cool to get these opportunities, and if the game is fun, it's a win-win. You get to enjoy a game, get some cool perks out of it, your fans or your followers, your community also gets to enjoy that with you, and then you get a little money on top. So not too shabby, not too bad. If you want to see how this turns out or get any more strips while streaming, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you've tried this out or if it's working, or if you have any other methods that we can test out. Appreciate y'all. Thanks again. Stay safe. Peace.